Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be giving you a TikTok tutorial trend on a new and emerging trend called big old booty. I think Shawty got a big old booty. Hey, twerk. That one, yeah. Now you're probably thinking, Ben, that's kind of sus, bro. Quite a lot of females are on this trend and not many men. Well, it's 2021, my guys, and I need some views. So if you guys want to help me out to 1,000 subscribers, that would really be appreciated. We are currently on like 894, so help me out. Anyway, this trend is incredibly easy to complete. All you want to do first of all is find out where you want to film yourself. If you're going to film yourself inside or outside, obviously it doesn't exactly matter, but as long as there's even lighting, which you can get outside or indoors with your windows. So once you've found the position you want to find, you want to position your camera about waist height. It doesn't exactly matter as your camera will be moving up over your body, but the best position is waist height. You also want to be using the back of your camera. The back of your camera has the best quality. Your front selfie camera doesn't have as good quality. And you have the decision of filming inside of the app and outside of the app. If you film outside of the app, you will get better quality. On some phones it goes to 4K, 60 FPS. But inside the app is actually 1080p, which is obviously a lot less than 4K. But either one, you'll still look beautiful, so don't worry. As well, you want to be filming inside of the app. You'll get the music, but if you don't want to film inside the app, you want to get the better quality, you can add the music in later inside the editing app, or you can actually do it in TikTok itself. So do not worry about the audio. When you are dancing though, you will have to play the audio so you can move your hips and knees in time with the beat. Once you have filmed yourself dancing to the clip and you are happy with it, you've replayed it, you've got the even lighting, you've got the perfect position, and your film is ready to edit, then we will download the app called CapCut. This app must be making bank because literally it's all over TikTok. Every single trend you're like, yeah, let's use CapCut. So all you have to do, CapCut, it's in the App Store, the Google Play Store. You download that, then you want to go into new project, and then you want to add the clip of you dancing. Now, if you have filmed inside of the app, you want to trim the clip down by simply pressing on the clip, and then the two bars will come up, two white bars. Trim it to the point at which it's all relevant. You don't want any irrelevant points in your clips. So if you filmed outside of the app, you actually have the choice to add the clip audio now. So all you have to do is click add audio. Very surprising, I thought so too. You press add audio, you press extracted, and then I hope you've saved a video from TikTok which has that audio. So if you haven't, just go onto TikTok, hold down the video, press save video, and then add that clip in, and then drag it to the correct position, and then your audio is onto the video. But again, you can do this while processing the video in TikTok itself. Literally just click add sound on TikTok, which is probably a lot easier, to be fair. Now, the point which you are confused, you're thinking, oh my god, how is this camera moving so smoothly? How are these people so cool? Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is go to the front of the clip, okay, and then next to the play button is a diamond shape. This is called a keyframe. This keyframe allows you to move left, right, center, and the keyframe will be the starting point. So it'll be at the starting point. You'll want to zoom in with your fingers. Obviously you won't be using anything else. You'll zoom in with your fingers, and you'll go to the bottom of your body where your feet are, and if you're hopefully you're wearing socks, but if you're not, it is what it is. So you want to zoom in where your feet are, okay, and that'll be your first keyframe. And you want to scroll to the end of the video, and then you want to press another keyframe, and then you will simply drag up to the position where your head and your torso are, which will be the finishing point of your clip. And if you notice, or you play it back now, it will, the start of the keyframe will end where the keyframe of the last one, you know what I'm saying? So it will, if you play it back, it will simply move up to your body, going from one keyframe to the other. Really simple, and then your video is finished. You can add a filter, but as I say, I think you're pretty enough. And then all you want to do now is export the clip in the top right hand corner. It's an arrow, it will be exported, and then you can share directly to TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you want to tag me at Ben Barwick. That would really much be appreciated. I do love seeing your creations, and obviously I'll give you a free like as well. You want to add the original sound again, because then you'll get on the For You page easier, because obviously TikTok like trending sounds. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you are happy with the clip you are made. As again, tag me. I post a lot more on TikTok than I do on here. I post funny videos, or I think they're funny. I don't know if you'll find them funny. But thank you for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.